Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo all offer cash competitions, but they use different formats, withdrawal systems, and entry rules. So the best app depends on what you actually want from Real Money Bingo. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth testing in 2026, how they compare, and what to check before risking your own money. Bingo Cash takes the #1 spot. It's built around competitive bingo tournaments and separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds. That makes it easier to identify which part of your balance can actually be withdrawn. Check the individual tournament entry fee and prize structure before joining a cash match. Bingo Clash ranks. Second, it uses head-to-head bingo matches instead of a traditional room. Avia Games lists PayPal as a withdrawal option for eligible players. The cash game feature depends on eligibility and location, so confirm that cash matches are available in your account before depositing. Blackout Bingo comes in third. It uses a speed-based format where numbers appear quickly and you mark your card as you play. The app offers free games as well as paid tournaments with real money prizes. If you're new to the format, use the free games first so you understand how the scoring works. Big Cash Bingo takes 4th place. Bring It On Games describes it as a skill-based bingo game with free play and real money competitions. Its listed payment methods include PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for eligible users. Multiple withdrawal methods make it useful if one payment option isn't convenient for you. Bingo Blish rounds out the list. Avia Games offers free ticket matches and cash matches. The competitive format gives both players identical boards, while power-ups can influence the match. Eligible cash winnings can be withdrawn through supported payment methods. Here's what I would check before calling any of these apps a good choice. First, open the withdrawal section before depositing. Check the minimum cash out and supported payment methods. Second, look at the entry fee and prize structure for the specific tournament you want to play. Third, check whether you're seeing withdrawable cash or promotional credits. Also check your location. Cash games and payment options aren't necessarily identical for every player. And don't confuse winning a tournament with making a profit. If you pay an entry fee and win a smaller prize, the result can still be a net loss. So the 5 apps are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Big Cash Bingo, and Bingo Blish. The practical next step is simple. Install one app, play its free mode, open the withdrawal page, and verify the current rules before entering a cash tournament. Real Money Bingo can produce real prizes, but it also involves financial risk. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more tested and ranked real money apps.